Hello and welcome to this Timeless Journey Outfitters unboxing video. My name is Leo and the subject is this Brother 003 in a rather battered looking box. Let's have a look. Well, there's not much in the way of packaging, that's for sure. And it becomes... So here's why the box is looking a bit battered. The sheath and the knife together are rather too deep for the box, so it looks like they have a company that has a one size fits all as far as boxing goes. But let's look at the packaging. Not a lot there. If what they've saved on packaging has gone into the knife, then I will be happy. I'll come back to that. That's a really rather lovely looking knife. Let's see what it really looks like. Wow. That is... There's oil on the blade. That's nice. That's a nice touch. I like that. Sort of slightly serrated hammer pommel. Have to see about that. Lanyard hole. Beautiful thick blade. Yeah, there's probably no play in that. I don't want to try that too hard. I'll end up with slicing my fingers off because it seems to be fairly sharp. I think that's a remarkably elegant knife there. Yes, I'm looking forward to using that just for the... It's like maybe like driving an old British sports car or an old British motorcycle. They're not very good, but they look great. It's a little... I don't know. Yes, it is. I mean, my hand goes right round it rather than it filling my hand. That's for sure. So we will only know by testing it. That's a magnificently sturdy blade. Probably not much good for tomatoes. Lovely deep Scandinavian grind. I've already felt it bite into my finger. That was sensible. I'm really looking forward to this. Let's have a quick look at this sheath because that's somewhat abstract. I've never really had a sheath that looked like this. This is interesting. Edge sealed. The only place I've seen anything like that is in the aviation industry. Well, let's see if this sheath will fly. I'll give it a good test. I'm not a fan of clicky pop a little press stud button things. Not really of rivets, but I will test it and I will be fair, and I'm really looking forward to wearing this and putting it to work, to testing it, to making stuff. This looks great. Yep. Let's hope you watch that one too. Thank you. Bye-bye.